In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to upgrade Kuda account, or how to upgrade your Kuda bank account. So let's say you just open an account. There's a limit that will be placed on your account, or else you actually upgrade it, then you have access to unlimited transaction, receive money on a daily basis and monthly. So all you just need to do is just log into your Kuda bank app on your Android or on your iPhone. Then the next thing you're gonna do is just click on more down below. Once you click on more, then you can see this page right here where you see account limit. Just look down, then you can see how much you can spend and receive. So just click on that. Then on this page right here, you can see Kuda to other banks. So you can see single transaction, receive unlimited, and daily transactions up to 1 million naira per day. That is basically for my own account right there. So you can see all the features right there. So I don't know what you might be saying from your own end, but I'm currently on tier 3 on Kuda because I have input some of my details down there. So you can see manage daily limit. You can see my current limit is 50,000 to 10 million per day, and you can see you can have access to more than 10 million per day. So you can see requirement to upgrade, proof of wealth, nature of transaction, reasons for limit increase. So you can tell them your reasons. So you have to, I think you have to contact the support. You can see contact us right there. So you can go back, and then you'll be able to see manage single transaction limit. So on single transaction limit, I can send per at a time. You can see 2 million naira per transaction, and I can also increase it to 25 million per transaction. So it all depends on what you are currently interested in. So I'm not sure if you'll be seeing your own just like this, but if you are not and you want to increase it, you will see the right option down below it on how you can increase that. And you also see all the requirements they are asking from you for you to be able to increase or to upgrade your Kuda account.